Do you educate and teach children? Are you looking for something just a little different for the children in your care? Beyond the Beanstalk provides hands-on STEM and STEAM experiences and aligns with the Early Years Learning Framework, the My Time Our Place framework, and the New South Wales school syllabus and curriculum. Let your younger students enjoy the adventures of Growley the Chimera Cat and the crew of the Spaceship Tree. Bring them inside the Beanstalk itself, or let them venture beyond the Beanstalk to where the mirrors grow. In these projects, students develop problem-solving skills using science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and of course, their imaginations. Give us a call or check out our website today. We would love to bring you beyond the Beanstalk.